of where the entrance to the shearing area is. So if you haven't been to shearing, and have a look at that one up on your way out. You might want to have a stop and have a chat to the guys from Beyond Bank and Josh. And
all the hydraulics.
Josh is coming in.
Fendit. Spray boom. These things are huge. That thing is huge. Big tank. Taller than me, and that's just the tyre. PTO, 3-point linkage, tyre weights, I think is massive.
Someone I saw who was standing next to an aeroplane. Well, not really an aeroplane, it was a glider. So I'm going to ask this chap from Balaclava to introduce himself and tell me what's he doing here
Nice
today.
quad bike there.
Yeah, my name's Brian Underwood. I'm president of the Balaclava Gliding Club. And strange as it might sound, the Balaclava Gliding Club originated as the Clare Soaring Club some 71 years ago. And with changes of land, we've been shifted right down to Balaclava, where we've become the Balaclava Gliding Club.